Start with the crust. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon white sugar. 2 tablespoons and a quarter tsp salted butter. One piece egg yolk. 2 tablespoons cold water. Mix, mix, mix. Roll the dough until the crust is slightly bigger than the pan. Gently place the dough in the pan. Crimp the edges. For the filling, 1 can condensed milk, 1 cup evaporated milk, 3 pieces whole egg, 3 pieces egg yolk, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. Mix, mix, mix. Strain the filling for a smoother texture. Pour the filling on the pie crust. Bake on a preheated oven for 45 minutes to 1 hour at 350 Fahrenheit. Remove the egg pie from the oven and let cool. Serve, share, and enjoy.